And yesterday we were down about 170. At that point for the week we were down over 2%. We came up off the lows. We've had the volatility. Well, why should U.S. investors care about a potential British exit from the European Union? We're going right to Gary B. Smith of Kadina Group, president, Fox News contributor, joining us on the telephone. Gary, some of the things that have been discussed are the domino effect, volatility. Why do you think people in America should care the most about a British exit?
Well, I tell you what, Nicole, from a macro or economic standpoint, I don't think they should. I hear the arguments from both sides. The only thing I would be concerned about is the second thing that you said, the volatility. I think there is fear of the unknown. No one knows what's going to happen. I mean, I have my feelings as to what's going to happen, not as far as the vote, but if they did leave. I think, though, that any big dip, any large spike in volatility which causes a drop in our markets is actually a buying opportunity.
A buying opportunity. Interesting. Thank you, Gary. You know, a lot of people, and you said it exactly, they get nervous in these uncertain times. If you look at the long-term impact of this, if Britain does vote to leave, what would you say that would be?
Positive.
Positive.
I think, you know, on both sides, what I'm seeing is, for the stay side, it's basically a, hey, we want to have this big, centralized, massive overreach, you know, running all these countries as one. That's not competition. Competition is each country competing. There's still going to be free trade. There's going to be less regulation. There's going to be, I think, all sorts of benefits as far as you know, access to different markets that they don't have now. I only see the upside on this.
Gary,
I understand if you're in the...
You're very positive. A devil's advocate would say to you, first of all, if Britain exits the Eurozone, we could see a domino effect. First of all, they'd have to take some draconian measures because they wouldn't have necessarily the good deals that they have being in the EU. The other countries might also bail out. You could see Europe's recovery dwindle. You could see a strong U.S. dollar, which could hurt our multinationals at home. I'm all about being positive and glass half full because I love the 401ks and IRAs. What do you say to those ideas? And you only have 30 seconds to respond.
Well, I'll tell you what, those are all possibles. But for me, it all comes back to this. We have gone down a bad path by relying solely on central authorities, whether it's the IMF or it's the Fed or it's our massive government. We've had 8 years of standstill economy by kind of having an EU mentality. I think the Brexit will help all the countries in the EU.
Right, competition and more competitive nature, right?
You bet.
All right, Gary B. Smith, you're amazing. Kadina Group president. We appreciate this, and you're a Fox News contributor as well. Thanks.
27